Hi everyone, welcome to Sampark Setu's menu walkthrough video. We will be going through all these modules one by one, and will try to understand the interrelation between each of them. So without any delay further, let us begin, shall we? Once you will open the Sampark Setu app, you would see this wonderful dashboard in front of you. This dashboard is going to provide you lot of information. But let's keep this dashboard part for the end, as the dashboard has so many tabs which might not make sense to you right now. But I assure you, once you will go through all the modules covered under this video, you will automatically understand all these tabs. So let us understand templates first. Tell me one thing, do you have to write a repetitive message to different clients again and again? In that case, you are going to love this template feature. Just go to the template module and create as many templates as you like. From here you can create WhatsApp templates, SMS templates, as well as email templates. The template feature also allows you to send personalized messages and emails to your clients. All you have to do is type at the appropriate section of your message and then choose one of the given options. You can also write template text on Google Sheets and then import them into the template module by clicking on the sync CSV file from here. Don't worry, the detailed process of creating templates has been covered in upcoming videos. Once the template has been created, you can directly send the message from here itself. Click on the icon next to your message template and then choose the contact to whom you wish to send this message and then hit send. Now let us understand tags. Let us consider that we have a list of prospects for our different products. And let's say we intend to send a set of messages to all these prospects. Now, we cannot just afford to send information about product A to the prospect who was interested in product B. This error can simply be avoided if we group and categorize the contacts and assign appropriate tags to them. In simple words, tags are used for categorizing and grouping similar contacts. Now that I have mentioned contacts, let us jump to the contact module. Whatever contacts you have with you in your phone book, you will be able to see them here. Now from here, you can select multiple contacts by long pressing on one of the contacts and then select as many contacts you wish. And then from here, you may put all the selected contacts into an existing tag, or you can also create a new tag from here itself. And that's how you can easily add contacts into tags through the contact module. Now let us jump to call and SMS module. So let's say we just received few new inquiries earlier this morning. And without any delay, we wish to send them more information related to the product they inquired for. Through the call and SMS module, we can quickly send SMS or WhatsApp messages to any recent unsaved number by simply swiping left. After swiping left, choose WhatsApp or SMS and then select an appropriate template and then hit send. Also, by swiping right, you can quickly add any contact into any existing tags. Now let us assume another scenario. So let's say our company is dealing with 3 or more products. And let's say we have a list of prospects for each category of product. And suppose we intend to send a different set of messages to each prospect, and that too on an interval of certain days. Does this task look tedious to you? Well, thanks to Sampark Setu. This task can simply be done using the campaign feature of the Sampark Setu. The campaign feature of the Sampark Setu app is designed for sending a set of messages to intended people over a period of days. To create a new campaign, open the campaign module and then click on the plus icon shown at the top right corner. Now, give your campaign a unique subject and description. Then select appropriate tags for whom you wish to create this campaign, and at last, select the relevant templates which you wish to send them. Once you are done adding tags and templates, click on Set Live. Once the campaign has been created, you will be able to see it here. Well, you can always edit any campaign later, even if it has been set live. To edit it, select the campaign you wish to edit. Click on the 3 dots and then click on Edit. You can add new tags as well as new templates from here. Once you set the campaign live, you will see all the associated campaign messages here in the message module. Emails and SMS are generated in the background and they will be sent on scheduled days automatically. And therefore, you will only see here list of unsent WhatsApp messages. To send these messages, click on the play button, then set these parameters and hit start. Now one by one, all your WhatsApp messages will be sent automatically. Now let us move on to chatbot module. The best part of our chatbot is, not only does it auto-respond to clients' queries, but also it is capable of understanding and capturing clients' intent. Now you must be wondering, how do I tell my chatbot to do all these activities? Well, this all can simply be done by defining rules here in the rule engine. You can define rules one by one by clicking on the plus icon from here, or if you wish, you can directly sync a Google Sheet from here. Don't worry, the detailed process of defining rules and importing rules from Google Sheets has been covered in detail in upcoming videos. So once you activate the rules, your chatbot will be able to respond to all the queries of customers by asking them numeric inputs. Not just that, your chatbot will also automatically generate list of contacts based on the intents shown by the people. Now let's head back to the dashboard module once again. In the completed messages tab, you will see all the sent messages. In the pending messages tab, you will see all the messages that are yet to be sent. In today's activity tab, you will see all the messages, emails, and calls that you have performed today. The last 7 days activity highlights your last 7 days activities. And likewise, you will be able to find so many details here in the dashboard module. The setting module has been covered in detail in the upcoming video of our Sampark Setu video series. So that's it for the menu walkthrough video. I hope you were able to understand each and every module. In case you have any queries, email us on hi@samparksetu.app.